How to send an invoice on PayPal. So here I am on my business account. I have a regular account as well. It's going to be pretty much the same. So what we want to do is we want to either find business tools or invoicing directly. If you can't find invoicing here, we will just click on business tools and we will choose invoicing from this list. Now it's going to look like this in the professional invoice or estimate in minutes, and we can click on get started and I'll show you how we can fill this out as well. So this is automatically going to generate our information here. It is going to choose an invoice number for us. We can change it by deleting and typing out a new number. We can change the invoice date here and when it is due. So on receipt, no due date, on specific day, in 10 days, you'll see all of these options. So I'll choose on specific date. And here, the due date, another menu will appear and we can choose when this is due. Now, we will need to either build this to a single customer or to multiple customers. So for this, I will do single customer. And we'll have to type out their email address or name here. So if I click on add customer, it's going to ask me for all of their information here. So if I fill this out, we can choose the item they've received or service that they have received. So for example, I can type here book and I'll type the description, the tax, we can add tax here, and the price is going to be, for example, 10 euro. So if I click on save here, it's going to look like this, and I can type out the price, 10 euro, and it automatically fills out the invoice. Now we can add multiple items as well as the quantity here and the price, and we can also add another item or service. And what else can we do here? We can send a message to the customer. We can also add terms and conditions and reference number. And if I click on this drop-down menu here, you will be able to see attachments. We can attach JPEG, GIF, PNG, PDF files here, up to 5 files, 4 megabytes per file. And we can also write a memo to ourselves. So after we have done this, we'll just click on send, and this is going to send the invoice on PayPal. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.